Privo's story begins on a personal note. Like many others, family members and loved ones are diagnosed with cancer every day. You think of the long, taxing journey ahead, the brutal chemotherapy treatments, the sickness, fatigue, and hair loss symptoms that await around the corner. What some are not prepared for is dying due to complications of the treatments given, their extreme toxicity and harm caused to the body. This is my journey with a loved one. From that moment, I was determined to develop a novel therapy that changes the way we perceive the word cancer, and to develop a treatment that is tough on cancer but easy on the patient. Fast forward to the present day. Privo is a clinical stage phase 3 company focusing on unmet medical needs in oncology. Our phase 3 clinical design is approved by both the FDA and IRB. While at MIT's Co-Cancer Institute out of Bob Langer's lab, the concept of the PRV platform began. Privo developed a nano-engineered drug delivery technology that can be administered in several dosage forms, such as a topical patch, an intraoperative hydrogel, and an intratumoral injectable. Our novel platform allows Privo scientists to reformulate existing chemotherapy drugs to have the ability to deliver and retain high concentrations of drug localized in the tumor. This can significantly improve the efficacy of current therapies and decrease their systemic toxicities. Privo aims to target rare conditions with a significant unmet medical need in oncology for the treatment of solid tumors with an initial focus on oral cancer. Oral cavity cancer patients' standard of care journey is a long and painful one, impacting their ability to speak and swallow following surgery. Patients must undergo brutal reconstructive surgery as demonstrated by these images, leading to a decreased quality of life and social isolation. Oral cancer is one of the highest depression and suicide rates of all cancers and is the one of the most expensive to treat. In the case of oral cavity cancer, Privo has clinically tested the first derivative of the PRV platform called PRV-111. PRV-111 is a topical patch embedded with cisplatin-loaded nanoparticles clinically studied in patients diagnosed with T1, T2 oral cancer. Results indicated an 87% response rate, with 5.5 days median time to response, over 70% tumor reduction in a single week of treatment, no dose-limiting toxicities, no severe adverse events, or systemic toxicities, high concentrations of the drug found in both tumor and lymph nodes, negligible concentration in systemic circulation, and long tissue residence time of drug greater than 30 days following treatment. Privo is a clinical stage phase 3 company. In our phase 3 clinical trial, Privo aims to eliminate the need for surgery for oral cavity carcinoma in situ and severe dysplasia patients. The goal here is simple: early detection and early to treat using safe and effective localized chemotherapy treatments via a non-invasive topical patch, providing patients with a better quality of life following treatment. Privo is seeking investors and strategic partners to join us in our journey to provide alternative treatments to patients for our upcoming planned clinical studies.